Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mariam Umar and in this lecture series I will be teaching you the basic concepts of the diabetes mellitus. This is the first lecture where we will understand what diabetes is and why it is considered an important metabolic disorder. So before proceeding, this lecture is designed for beginners, so I will explain everything in a simple and clear way. Let's begin with the introduction. What is diabetes mellitus? Diabetes is a chronic metabolic disorder which is characterized by high blood glucose levels. And this disease basically happens due to the problem with insulin, which is characterized by an important hormone in our body. Basically, there are two conditions. Either the body is unable to produce sufficient amount of the insulin, or the insulin which is produced does not respond properly to the body cells. As a result, it not only affects the metabolism of the carbohydrates, but it also affects the fat and protein metabolism. Normal glucose metabolism. To understand the diabetes, it is important to first understand how glucose metabolism normally works. And we are talking about the normal individual with no diabetes. So, first of all, food is broken down into glucose. Basically, when we eat food, especially in case of the carbohydrates, it is broken down into glucose, and this glucose enters the bloodstream and increase the blood sugar level. If I am talking about the exact range when the glucose level reaches to 70 milligram per deciliter in our blood, then it stimulates the pancreas to release the insulin. And in response, the pancreas release insulin, and insulin acts like a key that opens the doors of the body cells. And with the help of that insulin, glucose enters the cells and is used as a source of energy for normal body functions. Now, what happens in the diabetes? In diabetes mellitus, this normal mechanism is disturbed. Insulin is absent or ineffective. It means insulin is not produced at all, or the body cells do not respond properly to the insulin. And because of this, glucose cannot enter the cells and remains in the bloodstream. And when the glucose cannot enter the cells, as a result, it accumulates in the blood in a larger amount. And even though there is excess glucose in the blood, the cells remains deprived of the energy, and that is why many diabetic patients feel tired and weak. Why is diabetes a serious condition? Basically, due to the persistent high blood glucose level. Persistent high blood glucose level can cause damage to blood vessels and ultimately multiple organs. Organs include heart, kidneys, nerves, eyes, and other multiple organs, other sensory organs. That is why diabetes is considered a serious metabolic disorder and it requires proper monitoring and management. To summarize this lecture, diabetes mellitus is a metabolic disorder which is characterized by high blood glucose level, and it requires proper management and prevention for complications. In the next lectures, we will discuss the different types of the diabetes mellitus. Thank you for watching.